Hey there. It's Friday morning, 11 o'clock. We're in the Toyota carry-all. Yeah, the Toyota carry-all. We carry all of our stuff in it. And we're on our way to Coleman Lake in the Talladega National Forest.
Whoa.
Coleman Lake is a nice little place to go, and it's about a 4.5-hour drive for us. And we're going to go set up camp this weekend. My son's coming out to camp with us, and we're going to have a good time. Come along with us. We got surprised. We drove up here to Coleman Lake thinking we was going to get a primitive campsite. What we did not know is that there's a huge horse event going on here in this area. And some of that background noise that you hear, that's the horse people making their way out of the horse camp. We've heard different numbers. We've heard 100, we've heard 160 horses and riders, and it's an endurance event. And we've had a lot of fun. When we discovered that the primitive campground was full, we came over to the horse camp, and at Warden Station, I think it's called, I got pictures of everything. And we set up out of the way, and we've been watching and listening to the horses and talking with the riders, and it's been a really, really good time. And Aaron came up to meet us, and that was great camping with my son. Right now, I'm walking around harvesting a couple pieces of sassafras root to take back with us. And the next segment in this video, I'm going to do a little showing off, a little show and tell of the CANWAY stove. The initial burn, and instead of just building a fire in it, I went ahead and cooked up a cup of sassafras tea. in some shape, form, or fashion, get out and do outdoors. Make it an adventure. It's physically healthy, it's emotionally healthy, it's a really good thing to do.